Alright, here's the motor I picked up. It's a treadmill motor. 2¼ horsepower. Well, no, hold on. Continuous duty is 1.3 horsepower, so I don't know. 1 horse maybe. But I don't know how this is 1 horse. It's 5,500 RPM. So I'm gonna hopefully step that down to make the max speed on the lathe like 1,000 or something. On the other lathe, they never. I mean, the highest I've ever had the other one is. I've had it at the 2,400. It'll do. But I've never had it up there for any job or anything. I got this variable speed controller. Yeah. It's just the on off switch and a variable resistor there. Yeah, it works. This cord isn't the one I'm using, it's just on there. The motor, it doesn't start till about 30 amps, I think. But it runs real smooth. The flywheel on it, I don't know if I'm gonna like that or not. You see, when you turn it off, it spins forever. I'm probably gonna try to cut this down and do there's plenty of meat on it. I'm gonna cut it down so I can get a V-belt on it. And then I'll run that up to my other shaft. So yeah, this is just what I have planned for this. For the lead screw, I got a comment that said use a windshield wiper motor, and I think that's a pretty good idea. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna find one on something, I don't know what. I probably got one laying around somewhere. And I'll use that. I'll have to get a 12-volt controller for it. Yeah. So, getting pretty close to making some chips. Seeing this thing run. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Here's how the lathe sits as of now. It's pretty stable. It's got a little bit of wobble, but don't bother me. Alright, did a little work on the stand. I got the motor mounted on. It's got room to tighten or loosen a belt. It's going to sit on here. The lathe is going to sit on here, you know, like you've seen already. The headstock's going to be here. It sits right here maybe. And off to this side, I'm going to have this belt is going to go up here. There's going to be I don't know what you call it, just some other shaft over here with a flat belt pulley that's going to go down to the lathe. So this, I'm going to try to, this has like a ridges in it like a serpentine belt has. I might try to put that on the lathe and V it out. See if I can get a V belt to go on it. So yeah, I need to build a frame up off of here, I think, for the secondary shaft to go on. And once that's done, I think it'll be ready to roll. I gotta mount the switch. It'll be over right here. You can barely see it. It'll be over in there. So yeah, that's probably enough for this video. I'm pretty busy with farm stuff right now, so it might be a while till the next video. But just stick around. Once it gets towards winter time, we'll start having more time to do stuff. I'll finally finish the stupid steam engine I've been building. Got a few other things I need to do. So yeah, stay tuned. See you then.